You put down the phone, you've nowhere to go. Get back on the road, yeah, it's over.